Got your keypad up here. We're going to talk about all the things that this can control and change for you, along with the Siren up front. On the back is where the batteries are located. There's a small screw in the bottom you need to remove first, and then you'll be able to pull the lid off of it. And then here are where the batteries are if you ever need to replace them. And there's a small piece of plastic that's located in there in between the batteries so that they don't die while this is in storage and being shipped directly to you. But once that's all good to go, you can place this back on, put that little screw in, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. However, this is fairly simple and straightforward. You've got the alarm itself, as well as the magnetic trigger here, which stays to the side. And once this is armed, once they separate, whether this is mounted to your door, your window, etc., for one reason or another, that is going to trigger the alarm. It's going to start the arming process. It's going to give you about 30 seconds to get out of the way, shut the door, the window, especially if you're using this on a front door. And then once that 30 seconds is up, the alarm will be active. Once the alarm flashes red just like that, then you know that that 30-second timer is up. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to remove this away from it and it's going to trip the alarm. I actually have a 5-second window in order to input my code to disarm it before the siren goes off. Shortly I'm going to show you how to extend that. You actually have the option of 5, 10, or 15-second disarm time if you need more time. Okay, so here we go, and you're going to hear how loud this is. So you're going to hit 1, 2, and 3, and then enter. That will turn the siren off. So you hear that first beep right there. Here we go, 5 seconds. 1. Side of the alarm is the vibration mode button. This will allow the alarm to be triggered by vibration. So if you have this on a window or a door and somebody's trying to kick in the door or break a glass window or something like that, it's going to be able to pick up those vibrations and set off the alarm. So pressing the button, 1 beep means it is disabled. 2 beeps mean it is enabled, okay? So you'll set the alarm like usual, okay? The trigger does need to be next to it, and then we're gonna wait. I'm just gonna pound on the desk and you're gonna see it set the alarm off. So the alarm is now active. I'm a bad person trying to kick in the door or break a window. You see it trip the alarm right there because of that vibration, and it'll still trigger the alarm. There's also the option to change between an alarm or a ring sound, so we can change it. Okay, and here we go, ringtone alarm.